whole consonant preceded by one word, we double the last consonant before ending and ending beginning with a vowel. If the accent is on, the memory of the accent is over. Like mistake number 17. Vowel ending in any vowel of the side type of silent E. Drop the E when ending and ending beginning with a vowel. Like mistake number 18. Words which end with Y, having a sound on its own, saying Y to I before ending and ending except for the ending in is and is. Language number 19.